Okay, so we thought we would do a quick little tutorial for all of you that shows you kind of how to freshen up your apartment carpets without using any chemicals that are not healthy and safe for you or for your pets. So this is a homemade carpet deodorizer, and we're going to continue to try to do little household tips like this for you throughout the rest of the year. These are really easy to do, very inexpensive, and it lasts a while. So again, this is going to be your in-home, homemade carpet deodorizer that you can use on your carpets without doing any damage to the carpets or to yourself or any pets that you may have. So what you basically need is a shaker that has holes on the top so that you can sprinkle it on your carpets. Some essential oils. I am using lemongrass today because I like the fresh smell and I like that it deters any bugs or flies from being in your home at all. And then you need some baking soda. I recommend just getting any generic brand baking soda because baking soda is baking soda, so you don't need to spend a lot of money on that. I got all of my supplies on Amazon pretty cheaply, and I will drop the links to those in the comment section of this. And then you'll also want a funnel to help you put your baking soda into your container. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the baking soda and you're going to fill your container up halfway. So we'll get this done in there. You want to make sure that you have something to poke through on your funnel as well in case it gets stuck in there, so you can just help it along a little bit to make sure that you're filling it up. Sometimes the baking soda does get a little bit clumpy, so you have to help it work through. I'm just going to continue to fill this up here. It's very easy to do. You can keep it for a while, so you won't use it all at once. So you're going to go ahead and put the baking soda through like that. And I'll show you inside. So it's about halfway full. And then you're going to take your essential oils. Some essential oils are really expensive, and you want to make sure that the essential oils that you'll be using on your physical body, or if you're using them to diffuse and you're going to be inhaling the fumes from that you use a higher quality. But because this is just going in something that you're going to sprinkle on your carpet and then vacuum up afterwards, there's no need to spend a lot of money. My little bottle here was only $5 on Amazon, and you can use any scent that you want. And then you're going to put in about 15 to 20 drops on top of your baking soda. And it smells fantastic. So the leasing office at Towson Place Apartments smells really good right now with all of this in there. And then you're going to fill up the rest of your container with your baking soda. I have a clump in mine, so I'm just going to push it through there. There we go. It's stuck on the bottom, so I'm just going to push it through a little bit more. Now, the trick is also going to be, like I said, this is not going to be poisonous or detrimental to your pets. A little bit of baking soda won't do harm to them at all. But when you do sprinkle this on your carpet, you want to keep your pet away from it while you're letting it do what it's supposed to be doing to deodorize the carpet, because if your pet eats a lot of baking soda, the bicarbonate in the baking soda mixed with the fluid in the stomach could cause bloating and issues for the pet. So if you have a cat or a dog or any other type of pet that likes to ingest things that they're not supposed to, then you may want to keep them out of the area. So close your bedroom door or your living room door if your living room has carpet, and then they won't ingest it or potentially cause them to have a bloating in their stomach. My dog did not bother with it at all. So, all right. So one container like this got me two shaker containers full of this homemade concoction. And again, it will last a while. So, you can go in with your neighbor and purchase some so that you're not just doing it yourself. And then again, right on top, you're going to do some more of your essential oils on there. Like so. You can also do this without essential oils if you want to. The baking soda sprinkled on top of your carpet and letting it sit for 15 to 20 minutes will also help with deodorizing, but the essential oils just bring a nice freshness to the area. And then you can stir it up a little tiny bit, put the cover on it, and let it sit for 24 hours so that the essential oil infuses in with the actual baking soda. And then when you are ready to vacuum up your carpet, you sprinkle this on the carpet, let it sit for 15-20 minutes, vacuum it up, empty out your vacuum, and then your house will smell really nice. Your carpet will be deodorized. And this is really good to do, especially after winter. So when you aren't able to open your windows to get fresh air in there, and with everybody doing their studies at home, the windows are closed up and people are in the space much more than they normally would be. So this gives you a good way to freshen up your home throughout the winter. Hope you enjoy it. Let us know in the comments if there are any other tutorials you would like to see us do, and we'll be happy to post those as well. Have a great day.